Hi, Baby Chakra moms. We at Baby Chakra constantly keep innovating features on the app to make your life easy, to enable you to interact with the community, make article reading easy, and also navigate the app seamlessly. So, today, let us talk about the bookmark feature, which was released recently on the app after we got some feedback from you. This feature has been made for two purposes. Number one, to enable you to bookmark an article that you read on the feed that you may want to access sometime later. The way that you can bookmark an article on the feed is, say for example, this is an article that you were scrolling through and found very useful to bookmark for future reference. Do you see a yellow signage here? This means that this article has been bookmarked. How do you bookmark this article? Do you see these three dots here? Just click on that and then click on bookmark. This means that this article has been bookmarked for future reference for you. How can you search for this bookmarked article? Go to your profile page by clicking here. Go to the bookmark section. Go to the article section, and this is where you can see all the articles that you've bookmarked for your future reference. So for example, we bookmarked Sonali Shivlani's article right now, and this is now featuring in the bookmark section for you now. The other way that you can bookmark articles is by going through the stories section. Stories section is essentially a section where you'll find all the articles that are written on Baby Chakra. So you go on stories. Say for example, you liked this article. Do you see a plus sign here? Click on this. Click on read later. And then click on done. This means this again has been added to your bookmarked section. For us to check if it has been, go back to your article section. And this is where the article has been saved, and you can access it at any later given point in time. Another way to save your articles is, for example, you're a breastfeeding mother and you want to save all the articles related to breastfeeding for your future reference. What you could do is, again, click on the plus sign. There's something called create collection here. Click on that. Write the collection name here. In this particular case, say for example, breastfeeding. And create. So now you can see two lists here. One is a read later list, and the other one is the breastfeeding list. Click on done to finish. Now, the other way that you can bookmark a lot of questions and posts that you see on the feed. Now, there could be, say for example, a live Q&A that is going on the app currently with Farah Adam, who talks about the first 6 weeks after delivery, where a lot of mothers are asking a lot of questions. You could be a mother who's just delivered and might want to save this live Q&A thread for your future reference. So again, this is a post. Scroll down. Again, click on these three dots and click on bookmark. How do you find this post in your bookmark section? Again, go back to the left hamburger, click on bookmarks, go to feed post, and this is where this particular thread has now been saved. Similarly, if you find questions on the app, there are mothers who are asking questions day in, day out. And if you want to save a particular question for your future reference, say for example, Himani is asking about a tetanus injection and severe itching. Maybe this is something that you could face sometime later if you're a pregnant mother and would go for a tetanus injection. Again, this is a question. Click on the 3 dots and simply click on bookmark. Again, to see whether this is saved or not, go to the left hamburger, go to the bookmark section, question, and this is where Himani's question is now saved. So moms, this is a very, very useful feature that we've built for you. Do make use of this. And in case you have any questions, please reach out to us on the app and we should be able to help you out. Thank you so much.